Once upon a future, in the year 2999, the cosmos was abuzz with tales of a legendary princess whose beauty and power were said to transcend time. She lay in eternal slumber in a crystalline chamber atop the floating city of Lumina, protected by enchantments older than the stars. Her name? Princess Seraphina Astra. Born during the Galactic Renaissance, Seraphina was more than a royal. She was the beacon of peace in a fractured universe. But prophecy foretold that her very essence, her heart infused with cosmic energy, would one day plunge the cosmos into chaos if awakened prematurely. To prevent catastrophe, the Mystic Council cast a slumber spell on Seraphina, binding her to awaken only when the stars aligned in perfect harmony. Eons passed, and civilizations rose and fell, all while the tale of the sleeping princess became myth. But deep within the archives of the Lost Orion Library, fragments of truth whispered her name. Many sought her, hoping to harness her power. However, none could break the enchantments until a lone traveler, Alaric, stumbled upon the star chart that marked her awakening. Guided by fate, he navigated perilous asteroid fields and labyrinthine cosmic storms to reach Lumina. As Alaric entered the crystalline chamber, the room pulsated with life. With the celestial alignment complete, Seraphina awoke, her eyes glowing with the light of 1,000 galaxies. She smiled, not with joy, but with the weight of knowing her awakening was the harbinger of cosmic transformation. The princess's first words were cryptic. "The stars hold our fate, but the heart shapes the journey." What followed was a breathtaking adventure of love, sacrifice, and destiny, as Seraphina and Alaric embarked on a mission to restore balance to the universe.